I hope that each and every one of you realize how special you are as AMC shareholders. It's evident in today's market when everything is red and AMC stock is basically the only thing that is green, the only thing that is moving higher, that we are really doing our jobs here. We are holding the stock and we are driving that price higher. So that's exactly what we're going to be talking about in this video, how important it is to hold AMC stock, to hold the line, to join in and win this battle for the short squeeze. So if this sounds like something you're interested in, let's get started. What's up, everybody? I'm Clay. I'm here to make 2021 the best year ever. If you haven't clicked that subscribe button yet, make sure to subscribe to the channel. Join us. Become a bro. We are here every single day, and we're growing our portfolios together. All right, look, AMC stock, it's no surprise to anybody. It is a battleground right now. The hedge funds are shorting as much as they can. Anytime they can get a hold of a share, they're shorting that share. But guess what, guys? We're not giving up. We are holding AMC stock. We're not allowing our shares to be shorted. And this is causing quite a stir, right? If you look at academic research, when short interest, when borrow rates get as high as they are right now, retail investors tend to fold and the stock tends to shoot down, all right? When hedge funds go out and short it and are willing to pay 80% annual interest, 200% annual interest to short the stock, they know it's because they're going to win. They're not going out there and taking on a 200% interest loan because they think that they're going to lose. No, they do it because they're arrogant. They do it because they think they're going to win, and they think they're going to make much more than that 200% in a shorter time frame. All right, so they know that game time is soon. All right, I can't predict if it's going to be this month, if it's going to be next month, anything like that. Nobody can, but they know that it's going to be soon, or they wouldn't be willing to pay as much as they are. Now, we need to talk about why it is so important that you hold your shares pre-squeeze, not just during the squeeze. All right, look, I see 50 million shares being traded. That means that 50 million shares were being held by paper hands. They weren't willing to hold those shares. There's still people out there day trading AMC, swing trading AMC, and I do not want to see that, right? So hopefully this example is something that can help you understand why it is so important for you to hold AMC stock right now, right this minute, pre-squeeze, pre-liftoff. So a lot of people compare it to a spring. So I've got a spring right here, right? And I'm not applying pressure from the bottom up, and I'm not applying pressure from the bottom down. I'm applying pressure in both directions, all right? So look at this spring. I'm applying equal pressure on top and bottom right now. That's why we're stuck at this $10 mark. Hedge funds are shorting. They want to put pressure on the downside. They want to see this spring, boom. They want to see us fold. They want to see my thumb move here. That gives them all the leverage they need, and boom, the price shoots down. The spring here is like the price, all right? They want to see it shoot down. We want to see it shoot up. Now, the question is, who's going to let go first? If we let go, the price shoots down. All the academic research that says when short interest is so high, when borrow rates are so high, the spring shoots down, the price shoots down. Okay, but if the hedge funds fold, now, why would they fold? They could get margin called. I know there's a lot of talk about margin call right now. They could get margin called. What else could happen? The price could just shoot so high, FOMO buyers kick in, and the more people that join the bottom here, the more upward pressure we have, the better it is for the short squeeze. It's not just us holding anymore. It's everybody coming in and shooting that price higher. That's another way we can trigger a squeeze. There are so many ways to trigger the squeeze, but you have to think about it like this spring here. There's pressure on both sides, and it's who's going to cave first. Guys, if we cave first, if we no longer say that we are willing to hold AMC stock, this spring, it will shoot down. It's not just going to sit on my thumb and not move anywhere. It's going to shoot down like the hedge funds want it to. Guys, it's evident in today's market. You can see all of the other stocks out there that don't have the same support as the AMC community, that don't have the same support that we're seeing in AMC stock right now. It's crazy to me. It's beautiful to me that if we weren't willing to hold, AMC's stock price would have already shot down. We saw it at what, $1.90 a couple months ago? It would be lower than that. It would be so much lower than that if the hedge funds had their way and they were able to continue pushing pressure and pushing us to the downside. But we're holding our own. We are holding our own, and one day, this finger here, it's going to bust. It's going to go up. This spring is going to rocket higher. And think about how glorious that day is going to be when the price of AMC just rockets up, when the hedge funds can no longer take the pressure that we are putting on them. So don't think that you can just go out and day trade AMC stock. And it's not too late for you to get in either. If you don't have a share of AMC right now, you're reinforcements. We're here holding the line. We are holding this price at the $10, $9, $11 range. We are holding this price steady, but absolutely join us. There's 50 million shares a day being traded right now that are getting paper-handed. Their hands are like filters, guys. They're just flowing right through them. Get those shares into a diamond hand, and that adds support to the bottom. It adds support, and the spring's hard to squeeze, right? It wants to go to the outside, so it would be a little better if it was a tighter spring. But look, guys, the more support we have on the bottom, the more momentous this squeeze is going to be. They're calling all their friends. The hedge funds are calling all their friends to short this stock at any shares they can get. If they see 150,000 shares available, they're shorting 150,000 shares. If they see 50,000 shares available, they're shorting 50,000 shares. It's war to them. I know you guys creep around in the Reddit subreddits and all that stuff. You see what they're trying to do. They're at battle. I want to know if you're at battle too. Are you willing to hold AMC stock? Let us know down in the comments below right now if you're willing to hold AMC stock. Do not get tired. Do not get tired of holding AMC stock, because the moment you get tired, the moment you guys fold before the squeeze even takes place, I know people have dreams and want to see $100,000 floors, $10,000 floors, $1 million floors, all this stuff. But if you can't hold the line now, those floors are imaginary. It's just a dream that you had. If you're not willing to hold on to the stocks in your portfolio right now, the squeeze can't happen. So I need you guys to share this video with somebody who needs to understand how important it is to hold AMC, to not swing trade it, to not day trade it, not to jump on late and try to jump in as the spring is shooting up. Get in now. If you support this line now, it gives that much more pressure to the upside, and the spring will shoot that much higher, that much quicker. So hopefully this was a decent example of it's not just short pressure down, it's not just buying pressure up. We are at battle here, and we need to see this spring shoot up, not down. We cannot let the hedge funds outplay us. We cannot let them put more pressure on AMC stock than we can put on it to the upside. It's as simple as that, guys. Holding is the trick. It's been the core of this channel for months now. It's been the core of so many channels for months now. Hopefully this shows the significance and the importance of what it means to hold just one share of AMC stock and not let go. If you think that you've got a small portfolio and you're not doing your part, if you're sitting on your shares and you're not selling them, you're part of the battle. You're the reason we will win. You are the reason we will win if you're willing to hold AMC stock. Whether you've got one share or you're sitting on 1 million shares, it's that simple and it's that beautiful. So guys, I hope you share this video with somebody who just needs a little bit of encouragement to hold the share. Do not let your fellow brothers and sisters down. Do not let all of the apes out there down. Hold your stock, hold the line, and we will see AMC stock shoot higher as soon as we break these hedge funds. And man, I hope you're as excited as I am, because I know the possibilities are absolutely endless. So the battle starts today, guys. Do not think that we are not at battle right now, because we are. Now, guys, if you liked content on the channel, don't forget to click that like button. If the subscribe button is still red, make sure to subscribe to the channel. Join us, become a bro. We are here every single day, and we're growing our portfolios together. You know, the link in the description below for Webull. Go ahead, use that, deposit $100, sell those free stocks, get a share of AMC, and you are part of the movement. You are part of that bottom line, holding that spring together, and you're the reinforcements that we're looking for. And guys, I'm brand new to Twitter too. You know, if you want to sign up and follow me on Twitter, that would be great. I think I got 55 followers or whatever they're called right now. So do me a favor, follow me on Twitter. I don't know how to use it yet, but I will be getting used to it, and hopefully I'm able to use it a little bit better in the future. But until the next time, I hope that each and every one of you have an awesome day.